Good afternoon. I'm Shashi Vispute and he's Jay Shah. Both are partners at Opal Industries. We are situated in Vadodara, Gujarat. Opal Industries has basically manufacturing in three verticals. First vertical is liquid chillers, water chillers and brine chillers. Second vertical is compressed air systems. And the third vertical is our very famous Onyx heat pump. In chillers, we have liquid chillers right from a capacity of, like, say, half ton till 400 TR till a temperature range of -35. While that is with again different refrigerants with R134A, 404A, 407C and ammonia, which is our super specialization. And in compressed air dryers, apart from air compressors, we are manufacturing intercoolers, aftercoolers, air receivers, air dryers and air filters. And in heat pump, Onyx has a great utilization in domestic, commercial and industrial applications. Can you tell applications for chillers first?
Applications for chillers are, that is a chemical industry, pharmaceutical industries, dyes, intermediates, plastic industries, and as well as it is for paint industries. For air dryer is required in all the industry, all the industrial facilities it is required. And Onyx heat pump, basically it is meant for domestic applications such as homes, bungalows, hospitals, hostels, resorts, hotels, ashram, farmhouse, so on.
As far as heat pumps are concerned, the best part about our heat pump is it's the only of its kind which can transfer complete heat from the surroundings to water, hence heat water, and it keeps the surroundings cool, leaving our planet a clean, green and a better place for the next generation. Yes, we save more than 75% on electricity, and one unique thing about our heat pumps is they do not have any electrical element, heating element in our systems. And last and not the least, we urge everybody to come and visit Engiexpo, visit our stall and know us better. Thank you so much.
Thank you.